Republic Bank EC Ltd, with presence in 7 Eastern Caribbean territories, has heeded the call from the OECS Director General, Dr. Didicus Jules, to join the fight against COVID-19.
I wish to express the appreciation and gratitude of the Commission and the member states of the OECS for the contribution of $200,000 by Republic Bank Eastern Caribbean for the purchase of 9,000 units of some of the drugs needed to treat persons affected with COVID-19 in 9 member states.
Republic Bank EC Managing Director Michelle Palmer-Kaiser said they were in the process of deciding how to assist the fight against the coronavirus when the call came from the OECS.
We see it as our responsibility to help, not only with immediate relief, but also with longer-term efforts to rebuild businesses, our communities, and our lives. We are confident that the joint efforts of the private sector and governments across our region will result in success for us and the wider Caribbean.
Republic Bank has pledged continued support and joined the OECS Director General in encouraging other private sector entities, regional and international agencies in ensuring the OECS states minimize the impact of COVID-19 on the region's health and economy. Dr. Jules points out that the OECS Commission is spearheading a coordinated approach on behalf of all member states.
Our aim is to supplement the national efforts by helping to fill gaps where they exist and by realizing economies of scale in joint procurement and sourcing of medical supplies and equipment, technical assistance, and whatever is required that is common to all member states.
The leadership shown by the OECS Commission in bringing together stakeholders under one response umbrella gives hope for our region successfully emerging from these challenging times, and we applaud them for the work that they have undertaken.
The US $200,000 from Republic Bank will be used for the purchase of medication used in the treatment of COVID-19. The medicines will be distributed among 9 OECS member states. The funds will also support a regional strategic communications campaign around COVID-19.